Pinterest terminology and vocabulary you need to know. New to Pinterest? Or just confused by all the platform-specific lingo? Today we're decoding the most essential Pinterest terminology so you can understand how the platform works, communicate like a pro, and create content that gets seen. Let's dive into the Pinterest dictionary. What is a pin? A pin is the heart of Pinterest. It's a visual bookmark that links to a web page, product, or resource. Pins can be static images, videos, or multi-slide formats. Each type brings unique opportunities for engagement. Boards and group boards. Boards are where users organize their saved pins. Each board has a title and description to improve searchability. Boards can be public, private, or group boards, where multiple users contribute to one shared collection. Profile overview. Your Pinterest profile is your home base. It includes your display name, bio, profile photo, and boards. If you're a business, you get bonus tools like analytics and website verification. The home feed. The home feed is Pinterest's version of a homepage. It's curated using Pinterest's algorithm, blending content you've saved, trending topics, and recommended pins, all based on your activity. The search bar. Pinterest's search bar is a visual search engine. Type in a keyword and discover pins, boards, and creators. The search function prioritizes relevance and keyword optimization, so using the right terms in your content really matters. Rich pins. Rich pins display extra info pulled directly from your website. There are 4 types: article pins for headlines and descriptions, product pins for pricing and availability, recipe pins for ingredients and instructions, and app pins with direct download links. Idea, video, and carousel pins. Pinterest offers rich formats to showcase your creativity. Idea pins let you tell stories with multiple slides. Video pins autoplay to grab attention. And carousel pins let users swipe through multiple images, perfect for tutorials, angles, or product variations. The smart feed. Pinterest doesn't show content in real time. It uses the smart feed, an algorithm that prioritizes pins based on quality, relevance, and engagement history. To rank higher, focus on keyword-rich, consistent, and valuable content. Engagement metrics. Want to know how your pins perform? Track these metrics. Saves. Users adding your pin to their board clicks. Users interacting with your pin impressions. How many times it was seen outbound clicks. How many visited your link from the pin. Pinterest ads. Pinterest ads let you boost your best pins. You can target audiences, optimize for traffic or sales, and choose ad types like standard, video, carousel, or collection ads. Track your results and scale what works. Pinterest trends and analytics. Stay ahead with Pinterest trends, a tool that shows what users are currently searching for. Pair this with your Pinterest analytics to track impressions, demographics, and top-performing content. Now that you know the language of Pinterest, you're better equipped to grow your presence, connect with your audience, and create pins that perform. Understanding the vocabulary gives you an edge and helps you work with the platform instead of guessing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Pinterest strategies, and drop a comment. What Pinterest term was new to you today?